If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2018 Jeep Compass Latitude in Redline Pearl. With halogen quad headlamps, fog and cornering lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, bright day light opening moldings, incandescent tail lamps, power 8-way driver seat, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 28,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, Bluetooth streaming audio, split folding rear seats, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5459A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.